I've been trying to make myself get out and take a walk every day this spring. And believe me, some days it's pretty hard to make myself get out. There's lots of water puddles to step through with all the snow thawing and melting. It's been quite a challenge to get out some days because it's still only in the 20s a lot of times. But I'm making it happen. I'm trying to break free of I'm trying to break out of my comfort zone and start filming in front of people. So I probably look like a freak walking through the neighborhood talking to the camera, but I'm gonna do it. Do you ever have a hard time breaking out of your comfort zone? It's easy to stay stuck in the things that we feel comfortable with. But this spring, I challenge you to break out of your comfort zone and do something uncomfortable. So I have this fear of filming in public, and it's kind of hard to be a YouTube content creator when you're too afraid to film in public. So I'm walking around my neighborhood, getting my exercise, and filming in public.